Gold prices have hit another all-time high. The reason is former U.S. President Trump's tariff policy and the resulting global economic uncertainty. Not only gold, but also the dollar, yen, and even Bitcoin. Subtle movements are being detected across the asset market.
On the 21st, the international gold futures price surpassed $3,400 per ounce. For the first time ever. According to Bloomberg, June gold futures rose 2.27% to $3,404. As of 3:45 p.m. Korean time, spot gold also soared to $3,393.34, breaking its all-time high. The price of gold has risen by a whopping 29% this year, and has surged by over 14% in the past 10 trading days alone. Why is the price of gold rising like this? Experts point to the U.S. tariff policy, economic recession concerns, the weak dollar, U.S. Treasury bond selling, and central banks' gold purchases, and inflows into gold ETFs as the main causes. In fact, gold ETF holdings have been increasing for 12 consecutive weeks, the longest since 2022. Goldman Sachs predicted that gold prices could rise to $4,000 per ounce by the middle of next year, and Capital Com analyst Kyle Rada said that the $3,500 level is the next key point. But he predicted that it would be difficult to reach it in the short term. There is another factor in the market flow today. Former President Trump's remarks, pressuring Federal Reserve Chairman Powell to resign. On the 17th, Trump strongly urged a rate cut, saying, "If I want, Powell will resign immediately." And he also caused a stir by revealing that he was considering the possibility of dismissing the White House National Economic Council director. This remark is interpreted as an attempt to shake the independence of the central bank, and is acting as a factor that highlights political risk in the market. Accordingly, global asset markets are also fluctuating. The dollar index fell to 98.166, the lowest since March 2022, and the yen strengthened to 140 yen and 62 sen, the lowest since September last year. A whopping 22 trillion won of foreign capital flowed into Japanese long-term government bonds in 1 month, and the euro and German government bonds are also showing a strong trend. Meanwhile, in the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin rose to $87,502, recording its highest level since Trump's tariff remarks. Asian stock markets were mixed on this day, with Japan's Nikkei down -1.30% and Taiwan down -1.49%, but Kospi rose slightly. And the Chinese stock market also showed a positive trend. The Hong Kong stock market was closed for Easter.
Gold prices are soaring, the dollar is shaking, and money is moving to safe havens. Former President Trump's tariff policy is once again causing global markets to tremble.